are pulling into Renn Quarter, one of the newest D.R. Horton communities in Frederick. It has some really, really nice looking modern townhomes, which are not of your cookie cutter variety. And they all have 1 or 2 car garages. And it's a brand new design to D.R. Horton. And here's some that are getting ready to finish up on the outside here. I just wanted to give you a little tour of the community and let you know that these are modern floor plans, and they're going to have smart home technology. And this is going to be a really cool community to live in because it's going to be dynamic lifestyle living, which is walking trails, proposed clubhouse, pool. Here's some of the single families. Single families are also have a modern look, and also they have farmhouse as well. So I welcome new designs anytime. Thought you'd like to take a look at everything. They're gonna have retail space, and as you can see, there's lots of wide open spaces right now. You're gonna have walking trails, and of course, you are going to be super convenient to downtown Frederick. There we go, there's a model home. And here we have some that are finished on the outside that you can take a look at here. These are just spectacular. I just love them. They just pop. They just pop with curb appeal and style. And straight ahead, we have some more. We'll stop and get a good look at them. I love the vibe. It's refreshing. It's a change of pace. So some overlook the common area, and some will be outward facing. So over here on the left, you'll see the amazing views. Here we go. So here's one of the single families. True farmhouse style. Beautiful porches. Love the colors. Love the colors. And here is the backside of this road we just went down, showing off the single car garages. Here is a model home. Right now, you can get VIP pricing. Just give me a call at 301-730-0555. Make sure you're being represented by an agent. because the agent is the person that's going to be looking out for your best interest. And that's important in not only resales, but new home construction as well. I appreciate you taking a look with me today at Renn Quarter. Again, this is Lee Fangmeyer with Remax Plus, and I look forward to showing you floor plans and pricing very soon. Give me a call, 301-730-0555. Thanks.